Hi, welcome to flowbee.io. In this video, we will learn to create templates. So first click on broadcast, then again click on templates. If you are going to send a new message to your new customer, or you are going to send a broadcast about any offer or a promotion, you can only send it as using the templates. Template means this is a message format which is approved by Meta. So let's check how we can create a template. So first click on the new template button, then enter the name, then choose the category. Actually, what is category? Category means templates is three categories like authentication, marketing, bookkeeping. Authentication means if you are sending any OTP like that is authentication. Marketing means if you are sending the broadcast as any offer or promotion, that is marketing. And if you are sending any message like your order received or thank you like that is utility. And comparatively, authentication and utility is less charged than marketing. So now we are creating the marketing. Just click on marketing and choose the language of the broadcast. We are creating the English language. Here we can see the multiple options to create the template like text, image, video, document. If you are choosing image, video, or document, you can only allow one attachment with one template. So here I am going to create a template with image. So I am just uploading an image file. Here I will add the message which should be sent to the customer. Paste here. And you will have option here to the add emoji, make bold like that. And here I am removing the John and I am adding the another variable name. Okay, do you know why I am adding here this variable? When we are sending the message to thousands, uh, Floppy will automatically calls their name. Like if you are going to send Abhishek, here will show Abhishek when Abhishek is getting this message. Or if you are sending a message to Biju, Biju's name will be coming here like that. Okay, now this section is finished. Okay, one thing, when you're sending the message, you should be careful about something. You cannot add any other message, like if you are promoting uh, any other business other than your listed business. Okay, and you cannot add any threatened messages or any spam like that. Only allowed the messages which is only related to your business. Otherwise this template will be not work, uh, not approved, it will be rejected, and maybe your account will be banned. Okay, so just remember that. And here we will add the sample name, like you are putting here the variable name, so we should be add here the uh, what kind of message will be passed here. Just sample, I'm just entering ABC customer. And under the footer you can add anything like your website or anything you can add here under the in the footer section. That's optional, but there is a mandatory thing. When you are sending a message to a customer, you should add a line like this. See, like this. If you are not interested, please type stop to unsubscribe. Okay, this option we should give to the customer and we should inform them there is an option. Okay, so it will be shown like this in the message. Okay, and you can also add it here also. The better you can choose this footer option to add this kind of messages. Stop. Okay, this is very important. Otherwise, if you are sending the broadcast, your account may be get blocked. Okay, and now here you have the many options like non quick replay, call action, like that. In quick replay you can add multiple buttons, and in call action you can add the option to call to a phone, or you can add any website link. So I am choosing the call to phone, and I am entering here call. Call now, you can see here change, here is the change call now, and I am adding the number. Now the template is finished. Now we are sending for the approval. Just save. Okay, our template is saved. Now we can wait to get the approval. We just refresh here. Not approved. We will wait to get the approval. Yes, it is approved. Now you can send this template to any customer, or you can send this template as broadcast, no matter. This is safe. So thank you for watching.